kimchi, coffee with BTS. Hello beautiful people and welcome. Today I'm going to do a convenience store food challenge, and basically I'm going to be eating only food that is available in local Korean convenience stores such as 7-Eleven, Seoul, GS25 and etc. And I will buy for myself breakfast, lunch and dinner there. You know, it's really popular in Korea to buy food in convenience stores, the meals, if you don't have time or you're lazy or you just want some delicious food that's available there. And yeah, it's already almost 1 p.m. I woke up super late, and to be honest, my regimen has been a mess. Yeah, I'm both excited and scared about this challenge because honestly, I almost always just cook for myself at home and never buy the ready meals, but it will be challenging and it will be interesting, I guess. I will try to make some healthier choices. You know, you can eat anything and you shouldn't have any fear foods if you had an ED past or dieting past, you know what I mean, the food that gives you anxiety. But I have been eating terribly lately and I really want to focus on healthy eating. That's why this challenge is also scares me. Okay, but I'm thinking positively and yeah, I'm ready. I hope you're ready and excited as well, and I'm going to just stop talking. So yeah, let's just go to the convenience store and choose the breakfast for myself, or I should say the lunch, because it's so late. Okay, let's go. I'll try going to 7-Eleven first because it's the closest to me, and if I won't choose anything there, then I'll go to GS25 because it's my favorite. So yeah, let's go. Okay, let's see what we have here. Huge chocolate, but I don't want this. Sweet potato. 2+1. This is a good option actually. So I haven't chosen anything, and I guess I'll just go to GS25 because, you know, I don't know why, but 7-Eleven in Korea isn't that good as the Japanese 7-Eleven, and yeah, so let's go to GS25. Dairy, so and coffee with BTS. 1+1, so maybe I should buy this and have it for lunch and dinner as well. Okay. Oh, mini kimchi. This is cute. I really want to have a balanced meal. I don't want to just buy the doshirak. So let's think what I can have. I love the salad and I love the apples. Okay, I'm going to choose something and then I will show you everything at home. Okay, so let me quickly show you what I got. Here's the salad. And I also got myself some prunes for dessert and the apple. I usually don't buy the fruits that are packed in plastic, but in convenience stores they're always like this, so there's no choice. And I wanted something healthy and I haven't had apples for ages, so it is what it is. I'm going to cheat a little bit because I don't eat mayo, and I will use the olive oil that I have instead. Looks better now. And yeah, I got not a typical Korean food for myself, since, as I mentioned before, I'd like to make some healthier choices, and Korean food not always that healthy. There's lots of salt and sugar there, and also it's super spicy. I personally love spicy food, but it's not that good for my stomach. Yeah, and I've been having lots of spicy food lately, so I need a break. But maybe I'll have kimbap or something like that for dinner. I'm going to eat. Otherwise I will be just talking to you guys non-stop. There's a chicken with this coating, I don't know how it's called, some kind of bready texture, and I would prefer if there was only chicken without this. And also there's a half of egg, corn, tiny cherry tomato and the olive, black olive. Overall it's good. And guys, the interesting thing about Korean foods is that they always mention the calories on the package. I'm going to have half of the apple and I will put the other half in the fridge. I will have it later. I think I'm too full for this. So this is for later. And I'm also having my vitamins, the B complex. It's the gummies, and they're literally like a dessert. Hello again. So it's more than 4 p.m. already and I've been editing my video. I'm already a little bit hungry, so I think I'll just snack on whatever's left. My half of the apple and the prunes, and then I will work a little bit and go to the convenience store to buy a dinner, and maybe we'll go to the fruit store as well. And I will keep you updated. だからこっち向いて君のそばにいてキスしたいな抱きしめてダーリン抱きしめてダーリンでも全部は Chocolate meat has been really popular here. Okay. Almost nothing. I guess I need to go somewhere else. Okay, let's go to emart. Favorite rice crackers with sweet potato. Pumpkin salad, and also there's almond sweet potato salad. I just wonder what the ingredients are. Okay, I'll get the eggs and maybe this. I'm finally home, and this is what I got. The rice crackers that I love. Yes, it was quite predictable. And here are the grapes and cherry tomatoes. I think they look good. And the eggs. I'm really excited to try them because I've heard that people say these are the perfectly boiled eggs. I guess we'll see. To be honest, for me it's a little bit strange seeing the grapes together with the tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, but still. So I peeled the egg and it looks just like the egg. You know it is good. So I guess I'll end this video here. It was an interesting experience. I thought it will be more difficult than it actually was. It definitely quite expensive compared to how much you would spend if you'd be cooking at home. But still, all of the foods in convenience stores are really fresh and nice, and honestly you can find really healthy options, and yeah, why not?